Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you my vegan mac and cheese recipe. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with 1 cup of vegan butter in a pot over medium-low heat, and we're gonna allow this to melt. Then we are going to add 1/2 cup of flour, a little at a time, whisking in between just so you get rid of those clumps and lumps. We're looking for a smooth consistency, and then also be sure that this is on low or medium heat because you don't want to burn this mixture. So we're gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Whisking in between, and when it starts to bubble, it is ready to add in your seasonings. So I'm adding in a tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and 1/2 packet of the umami broth, but you can definitely adjust the measurements to your liking. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of vegan cream cheese. It's gonna start to bubble once you add it in, and it looks so crazy, but keep on whisking to get those lumps out of there. All right, so I'm adding in 1 cup of mushroom stock. You can use vegetable stock also, but I'm adding 1/2 cup at a time. And now you want to add 1.5 cups of your plant-based milk. I'm using flax milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. And I'm also adding in 1/2 cup at a time. So we are looking for a smooth and creamy consistency, just like this. So you want to keep on whisking and be sure that it's on medium to low heat. Now you add in 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, and whisk everything in. Now I am adding in some salt, Dijon mustard, and I added in 8 ounces or a whole bag of vegan cheese. I use the Go Veggie brand, but you can use whatever brand you choose to, and you just whisk everything in there. It's really hard to melt vegan cheese, so I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Now I'll add in a whole box of macaroni and fold the macaroni in your cheese mixture. So you can definitely serve the mac and cheese just like this, guys, or you can place it in another pan and put it in the oven. You just want to put aluminum foil over your pan and bake this at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And this is what it would look like. Very bubbly and just yummy, guys. The texture was there, the flavor was there. It was so good. Let me know if you try this recipe down in the comment section below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy.